Stay right there, stay right there, stay right there. Come on back over here. Have a seat, have a seat, have a seat. Making contact with two uncondemned property at 735 Molly. What's that? Give me that. What y'all doing over here? How old are y'all? Y'all got some idea with y'all?
That ain't mine, bro.
Alright, y'all got some idea with y'all? Come here, what's your name? I'm sorry?
Antonio.
Antonio what? Take your hands out of your pocket. Take your hands out of your pocket. Take your hands. Take your hands. Take your hands. You better stop! Stop! Police on your ass! Stop! Stop! Police! Drop dead! You I ain't killing him. Get back! Get back! Get on the ground! I need help. I need help. Stay right there, stay right there, stay right there. Come on back over here. Have a seat, have a seat, have a seat. Making contact with two uncondemned property at 735 Molly. What's that? Don't give me that. What y'all doing over here? How old are y'all? Y'all got some idea with y'all?
That ain't mine, bro.
Alright, y'all got some idea with y'all?
No.
You look familiar. What's your name? I'm sorry?
Antonio.
Antonio what? Take your hands out of your pocket. Take your hands out of your pocket. Take your hands. Take your hands. Take your hands. You better stop! Stop! Police on your ass! Stop! Stop! Police! Drop dead! I ain't killing him. Get back! Get back! Get on the ground! I need help. I need help.
Black sweatshirt, Turner?
What do you do?
Oh, back.
That's my bad.
Stay back. Okay, that's cool.
I know.
Okay, just stay there, okay?
What do you do?
I don't know yet.
I know.
Okay? Well, he
What you do?
found the officer.
What you do?
I know, that's my brother. Okay, just stay back, please.
I know.
Okay, cool, thank you. No, I appreciate it. Just stay back. We'll take care in just a second. Okay. Typical pair. Yes, what we have so far is a BM, dreads, about mid-length, just below the ear, black sweatshirt.
Who came on the scene first?
One of the officers over there.
Wait, which one?
He'll take care of his. He'll talk to you as soon as he
I
can.
need to talk to him now.
No, he's taking care of business right now.
What you talking about, bro? For real, man. Man, I ain't trying to hear shit, nigga.
Eddie,
Do something there,
back up,
nigga.
please.
Do something there, nigga. Do
Okay,
something there, nigga.
Arrest him. It's okay.
You're okay.
Just relax, man. It's okay. Relax.
You ain't seen me touch. It's on camera.
It's okay.
So he told you to leave.
When you ball up your fist and approach me like that, you're under arrest.
I didn't even call my face,
I
bro.
look dead
Hold
at
up.
your fist, sir.
Hold up. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop
Get a
moving.
hold of yourself mentally and
What y'all
emotionally.
talking about?
Calm down.
Nigga? For real, you keep that on camera and I'm pressing charges. Ain't nobody press charges, man. What the?
Stop resisting.
We're good.
Okay, you got it?
Relax,
You got it?
relax,
Got it?
We're good.
Okay.
We're
Stop.
good.
Stop.
We're
Stop.
good.
Stop. Calm down. Calm down.
No, bro.
We're good.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Okay.
Man,
We're
what
good.
you mean?
Sorry, what do you want to do with him? Take
Let's,
their
whose
car.
car are we going to?
Take it.
Like this. Whose car are we going to? We're fine.
Whose car is this?
We're fine.
Alright.
Get in, sir.
I'm
Okay.
getting in.
You're
All right,
good.
good.
Bro, let me go.
Let's
I'm
treat you
getting
like one.
I'm getting one.
Okay.
For real, bro.
All right.